Welcome. In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you that how to delete TikTok story. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. How to delete TikTok story? First of all, click on the TikTok app, click on the profile icon, and now click on the inbox. Your story will appear at the top and at the first option. You can see your story. You have uploaded this story. Now you want to delete this story, click on the three dots and you can see different options like save video or save story or delete. Click on delete. Your story will be deleted and your story will also be deleted in 24 hours. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.